Dear Gonzo, it is that time of year again, brother. I will be coming home for Christmas within the next week. I am looking forward to seeing you after these many years. We will have a jolly time decorating the Christmas tree. Sincerely, Gary.
The sound of Christmas is in the air. Everywhere I go, I hear the sound of Christmas. The joyous sound of a choir singing, the sacred sound of the church bells ringing, the happy sound of friendly footsteps crunching through the newly fallen